What's the meaning of Cedar Rapids? Cedar Rapids. Cedar Rapids.
Cedar Rapids. Cedar Rapids. Cedar Rapids is a city in the state of Iowa, United States. The name Cedar comes from the Cedar River which runs through the city, while rapids refers to the rapid current in the river. The city has a population of approximately 135,000 people and is known for its cultural events, such as the Cedar Rapids Museum of Art and the Cedar Rapids Opera Theater. It is also home to several major companies, including Rockwell Collins and Quaker Oats. Overall, Cedar Rapids is a bustling city with a rich history and a diverse community.